Hello, my name's Daniel here at Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Volkswagen Golf R Black Edition. It comes finished in the colour pure white and features the 2-litre TSI petrol engine paired with the DSG automatic gearbox and 4Motion, offering a very impressive driving experience. It sits very nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels and includes matrix LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you'll find 341 litres of space. You've got a nice wide opening so you can easily load things in and out of the vehicle. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your very sporty part leather interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction flat bottom steering wheel. Moving around and up top, this Golf features the optional Panoramic Sunroof, which is perfect for those sunny summer days. With your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On your multifunction steering wheel to the left you have your adaptive cruise control and R button, and to the right there's controls to adjust the digital cockpit. On your digital cockpit you've got access to different driving data. You can also custom, allowing you to pick a display and information that's suitable for your needs. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system, providing you with access to DAB and FM radio, or alternatively you can play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. There's your telephone menu where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, and there's even Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility so you can access compatible applications. The system has built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. There's background lighting with a wide selection of colours to choose from so you can add your own personal touch to the interior. And this Golf also has great driver assist features like side assist, front assist and lane assist to keep you safe and secure while on the go. You have your range of driver profiles, allowing you to change the vehicle's performance and handling so you can enhance your driving experience. Also on the touchscreen you'll find your free zone automatic climate control. The vehicle has a heated steering wheel as well as heated front and rear outer seats. There are front and rear parking sensors, a reverse camera and even park assist, making parking as easy as possible in this Golf R. It can park itself. In the centre console you'll find 2 USB-C points and a wireless phone charger for convenient device charging. There's also your automatic gear selector, electronic handbrake and cup holders. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this approved used Volkswagen Golf R Black Edition finished in pure white. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.